So look at this website. This is the kind of website that people pay a tons of money to make, but I didn't pay anyone. Instead, I used Claude Design only to make this entire website. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can make a website like this too. So here you can see the video playing in the background. When I scroll down, these cards came up slowly. And when I move my mouse, the page moves with it too. Everything you can see here was made entirely by using Claude Design. So now I'll show you everything step by step from the start to the end. Just follow me and you can make the same website. So first of all, here you can see I'm inside my Claude, and here I'm using the Claude desktop application, and I also prefer you to go with that because that's easy to use. And if you never use the Claude desktop application and if you want to use that, you simply have to go to claude.com/download, and from here you can download this for your Windows or for your Mac. And after downloading, you simply have to just sign in with your Claude account. So here you can see that from this desktop application we can get access to Claude Chat, to Claude Cowork, and also to Claude Code. But in here, none of this we are working with. Instead, we'll use the recent feature that Claude added with the desktop application, that's Claude Design. And if I move my video, you will see the Claude Design in this exact place. So let's go inside the Claude Design. I'll just click that, and you can see it's in here. So in previous time, to use the Claude Design, we have to go to the browser, but right now we don't have to. From the Claude desktop application, we can use that. And also they added some new features, and I'll make another video on that. So make sure you stay around with my channel. So now in here, we have to give a command or a prompt, and based on that, it will start the website building. So for that, I'll go with this exact command, and no worries at giving this exact command in the description so that you can also use that. So I'll just copy that, and now I'll just come here and here I'll just paste that. So here I'm not gonna read the whole thing. Instead, let me give you an idea what I'm asking to Claude to do. So here I said build a premium website for a coffee machine. I gave it the exact colors, warm ivory instead of plain white because plain white looks very cheap. I told it the fonts, an elegant serif for headlines. Then I laid out every section, a hero with a background video, frosted glass cuts that fade as you scroll, pricing and all of it. And down here I'm attaching 4 product images, telling Claude where each one goes. And now I have to upload the images based on this sequence. For that I'll go with plus, and then I'll go with attach file. And here you can see I already organized these images. And if you're wondering that how I got these images of this amazing espresso machine, basically in here I used the OpenAI's GPT image 2 inside Higgs field, and I got these beautiful looking images. Again, if you want, you can use any of the image generation tool to generate that, and if you want to use your own product image, also you can do that. So let me just upload the images real quick. I'll just go with like this, then I'll go with open. So in here I'm using different ratios for each of the images. For example, this image is like 6:9, this one is 1:1, this one is 4:3, and this one is again 6:9. And now we have to select the template. So that's a new feature of Claude Design. And here let's go with a prototype. And also if you want, you can go with animation type, but for our case I prefer the prototype one. And for the system design, if you want, you can give a organized system design. So that just go with create and just give a system design. In this case I'm not giving anything, I'm just going with the default one because in here my prompt is already very detailed. And about the model, I'm using Claude Opus 4.8. I really want to use the Claude Fable 5, but unfortunately it's unavailable. So now let's go with send with that. So while Claude Design building this website, let's generate a video because in this case we want to use a video in the background of the hero section. So for that, in here I want to use the Seedance 2.0. For your case, if you want to use something else, obviously it's up to you. So for that, I want to go to Higgsville again. And by the way, I'm using Higgsville because it's easy to use and they're not sponsoring today's video. So to generate the video, in here I'll go to the videos, and here you can see I had get access to multiple models, and in this case I want to use the Seedance 2.0. Let me select that. And here we have to give the image at first. So the image will be basically the espresso machine. So let me just go with upload media, and here's the image in here. I'll just upload that. And now we have to give the prompt. So for the prompt in here, I'll go to my school community, and here's the prompt. And no worries, again I had given this prompt in the description. Everything is free, by the way. So in this prompt, I'll just give this exact prompt in here. I just say that what kind of video I really want, like a cinematic slow motion video. for this exact product. Here you can see it's like a very simple image, right? And in the place of model, let's go with Sequence 2.0 because we already selected that. And in the place of duration, let's go with 5 seconds because we need a 5-second video, not more than that. I think 5 seconds will be good because the longer the duration of that video will be, that will be that much heavy to load on that website. So make sure that you go with like 5-second video or like 6 seconds, you know what? And in the place of ratio, let's go with 6:9 because we must need a horizontal video shape. And in the place of resolution, let's go with 1080 pixel, but if you want, you can go with 720 pixel. It's up to you. And now let's go with generate. So now you can see that our website is ready, and let me show you how it looked like. As you can see, I'm just dragging down and this kind of like animations coming up. Okay, it's very simple, but it's very luxurious. And there's the pricing, and there's the footer section. Loom. So now we have to work in the hero section. As you can see, there's a still image and it's not looking that much cool. We have to actually just change that with the generated video. So let me go to the Hicks field to see is it generated or not, the video. Okay, it's done, and here's the video in here. Let's play that for you real quick. As you can see, it's a very slow motion video, nothing fancy in here. So I think the video is like overall cool. Now let me just download that just by going with download. And here's the video. Let me just download that. So here you can see the video size is 21.9 megabytes, but the problem is inside Claude Design, if you want to upload any file, like it can be video or images, it must have to be less than 20 megabytes. So now let's compress the video size. For that, in here, let me just search here video compressor, and I can see there are so many video compressor tools. Let me go with the first one. Again, I'm not sponsoring them, I'm just randomly using these tools. So in here, let me just drop the video, which is this one, and now let's go with compress. So it's done and it's showing me it has saved like 35%, and now the new size is 14.1 megabyte, and yeah, that's perfect for our size because that's less than 20 megabytes. Let me just download that. And now let me just go back to the Claude Design and just upload this video. So for that, in here, I'll go with this plus, and then I'll go with attach file. Then I'll select the exit video, which is this one, and then I'll go with open. So our video uploaded successfully. So now let's say to Claude Design to add this exit video as a background in the hero section. So for that, again, I already organized the command. So here's the command in here. I'll just copy that and I'll just paste this thing in here. Again, also this command has been given in the description, so there also you can use that. So now let me go with send. So I think it's done, and here you can see here's the video. It's playing in the background and it's looking awesome. Okay, and some of the problems you notice that especially in the hero section, the text overlays, it's not working very well. So let me say to Claude to do something with this text overlays so that it shows perfectly to the visitors. So for that, in here, let me say something like I want to add a like a soft gradient background for the overlay on the top of the background video, and also I want to actually make the hero section text color soft white or clean cream so that it can shows perfect, and also just move the headline and the small text in the lower center and keep everything else as it is. I don't need to change. So now it's looking very well. As you can see how I wanted, based on that it added the gradient and it's looking perfect right now. As you can see, as you just drag down, it shows the website perfectly. The website is like very simple, not so much flashy or not so much luxurious, but I think for the people who love this kind of minimalist website which will be dedicated to one single product, for those people or for those kind of businesses, this kind of website works very well. So yeah, that's how you can make an animated website. And the thing is, like, after making the website, in your case, if you think the website is perfect and now you want to deploy that, you can just go with like share and then share that with your workplace. If you want, you can export that as a PDF, PowerPoint, or project archive, or like a standalone HTML. And not only this, if you want, you can just send that to the Claude Code or to Canva directly, or like just by adding another destination. For example, like you can directly add this website to add a V base 44 gamma Lovable, Miro, Replit, Vercel, Wix. Like right now, it's so much easy for you to just make a website by using Cloud Design and directly just add that to any of the tools. From there, you will get the hostings, the domains very easily. Yeah, I just try to show you the way how you can do that. And now it's actually depends on your own creativity, what kind of website you want to make, what kind of animations you want to use, for what type of products you want to just make the website. Everything up to you, right? All of the resources, all of the assets I used in this video, I share that in the description. And yeah, I hope that this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like, and as like always, see you in the new video, guys. Till then, peace.